Welcome. In front of me is a Vivo Y16 and today I'll show you how you can copy contacts from your SIM card to the phone. Now to get started, you'll want to open up the standalone contacts application, which should be located in the Google folder. As you can see, it's right over here. I'll just discard the backup right there and keep it off. Now from here, I'm gonna tap on the three bars right here in the corner, navigate to settings, and in here you should see import option at the bottom. Now you want to select that you want to import your contacts either from VCF or SIM card. I'll be using just a SIM card. Select OK, and this will then display all the contacts that are on the SIM card. By default they should all be selected as long as the contacts don't already exist on your phone, one of them at least. In this case, whatever contact already is on your phone will be grayed out and deselected. Now you have two options, assuming you are logged into Google account, so you can import your contacts to the device, which will be selected by default, or you can select your Google account if you want to, which when you import contacts to the device, they will only be stored on this specific device locally. While if you do it to Google account, obviously they get uploaded to the cloud, and any device that is logged in with the same Google account will also get an update with these contacts. So select whichever one you want. I'll stick with the device, and you can choose import. This will import all selected contacts, and when we go back we should be able to see them right over here. Now if you selected your Google account, by default I believe the phone shows you the contacts that are on the phone itself, so chances are you will need to click right here on this phone icon and change it to something like your Google account. Oh, okay, so it's selected. So yeah, and obviously as you can see, you can swap it between them. You can even show contacts on the SIM card, but keep in mind contacts on a SIM card won't have the ability to have, for instance, pictures added, notes, date of birth or stuff like that. So if you keep a bunch of information assigned to the contact, this will not be very feasible for you. So yeah, anyway, so this is how you would import your contacts, and if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.